Good day, everybody. In this video, I will be talking about the Claritox Pro supplement. So if you wish to know more about Claritox Pro and what it is used for, then guys, just watch this video until the very end because I will be answering any questions you guys might be having regarding Claritox Pro. And also, if you have any doubts about it, hopefully I will be clearing that up by the end of this video. Also, what you should know is that throughout this video, I will be mentioning some very important alerts that you should know about this supplement before you make your purchase. So if you guys really want to know everything about Claritox Pro, let's just jump right into it right now. And first of all, you should know that Claritox Pro is only sold through its official website, all right? I did leave the link to their official website below this video in the description box. So rather than just leave you guys by yourselves looking for that official website, not sure if you are on the correct page or not, I did leave the link there to help you guys out, all right? So Claritox Pro is a natural solution made to prevent dizziness and balance out your system. The creator for this formula has made it very clearly and very effectively with natural extracts and amazing vitamins and minerals. Hence, the Claritox Pro solution is made up of only natural ingredients, meaning that it will not give you any side effects and it has no contradictions as well. Claritox Pro supplement claims to work differently from other solutions to combat vertigo, which is dizziness. So the creator claims that his supplement targets the poison in the brain that causes dizziness. This poison is similar to inflammation and presumably causes dizziness in many people. So people feel dizzy for several reasons. Some people feel dizzy after physical damage to the ear, head, or neck. Others feel dizzy from Meniere's disease, an inner ear disorder caused by a buildup of fluid. And others link dizziness to changes in pressure within the ear, changes in brain signals, and other problems. So after taking 2 Claritox Pro capsules, you should experience quick relief from dizziness symptoms, and it will give you results as soon as possible, all right? Also, Claritox Pro has been proved that it really does work because people leave their feedbacks on the official website. So you can actually read people's feedbacks over there to see how the Claritox Pro has been helping them out. So if you are really suffering from vertigo and you don't know what to do anymore, then the Claritox Pro can help you out. It is natural, so it will only do good to your body, all right? You guys also have 60 days to test out this product, and after 60 days, if you realize that you don't like it and you don't want to take it anymore, simply contact the official website, the support team on the official website, ask for a refund, and they will give you all of your money back. All right, guys? So if you want to know more about the Claritox Pro supplement, be sure to visit their official website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you guys around.